How to check that someone has logged in your Facebook ID without your permission, or someone hacked your ID without your permission and already logged in. So we will find it out very easily, step by step, in 1 minute. Simply, we will go to the settings option of your Facebook ID. Here it is, settings and privacy. If we click to the settings and privacy options, there are simply one option is settings. If we click to the settings option, then there are general settings, security and login, privacy, face recognition, blocking, and so on. So we will simply click to the security and login. On the security and login option, you will see that here it is recommended. Check your important security settings. This is not our target. Our target is where you are logged in. So this is the option. The last time you have logged in, like me, I have logged in with this ID. This is not my one, whatever. So Windows PC, where it is, it's Fiumicino Italy. Still now I am active here. And before that, 12 hours before, I have logged in Hawaii Honor. This is the mobile model, and where it is, it's Rome. So this is the history where your ID has been logged in before. So either if you or someone else, as you use your Facebook ID, so you know where you have logged in before and which device. For example, I have logged in mobile phone and computer. It was 8 May. So today now it is June. So last month I have logged in another device. So if you sometimes we have to check it out, because if someone suspicious that you have not logged in and it is not familiar your device, you are not familiar that you have logged in and you maybe forgot or something else, that means some new device or some new time, some new places. For example, I am in Italy, so someone, if I see that this login story history says that it is logged in USA. So that means I never been in USA last 2 months. So it's not possible that I have logged in. That means someone has hacked and someone has logged in my ID. And if we find it out, if we understand that it is happening, so my suggestion is to go and change your password and make your password stronger than before. All right. So hope this small video is useful for you even.